Welcome to the part 2 of our adventure. After the foggy mountains of Malico, Pangasinan in part 1, we are now continuing our ride through the stunning landscapes of La Union all the way to Ilocos Sur and finally to the historic streets of Vigan City.
Lakas ng trayok, gagi! Guys, ang sarap! Ganito pala feeling! Sarap! Welcome to Palawan! Woo! Okay guys, nauna tayo.
Dito na kami sa arko ng Ilocos Sur.
Okay.
I look good.
Okay. On the street and I got my swag on. Okay. Get the money, gotta get my bag on. Okay. Triple back, flip out the whole scene. Okay. All you suckers just the one that be me. So, get smacked. You looking whack. I got the big
Nahuli sila, Charles. Hintayin na ata natin sila dito. Hintayin na ba natin sila? Welcome to the heritage province of Ilocos Sur.
Ikaw ay tila sining sa museong di naluluma.
Dito na sila. Dito na yung mga kasama natin. Dami natin, oh. Puro adventure. Sino yun? Sino yun? Ha?
Sino nahuli sa atin?
Ako.
Makakatawa natin tayo. Ha? Ayan sila o sila rin yung gilid.
Sige, basta hintayin kita. Dito ko na sa likod ko.
Oo, dito ako sa likod ko.
Basta hintayin na lang natin sila umovertake, tapos banatan na natin. Tara. Libre. Wow. Tayin pa natin sila.
Ikaw ay tila sining sa museong di naluluma.
Diretso na tayo. Yun. Kabomba. Sana all Bistram 1050. Sarapin na po. Guys, nasa beach na tayo. Welcome to Candon na to. Basta nasa Ilocos na tayo. At andito na yung dagat. Sarap. Wow! Sarap. Sarap. natanaw na namin yung dagat. Nauna kami ni Sir Job, tapos tumigil kami dito sa tabing dagat. Hintayin namin sila dito, tapos sabay-sabay na kaming didiretso kasi malapit na lang. Palipad siguro ng drone. We decided to pull over by the roadside. Perfect spot with the beach in front of us and mountains standing tall behind. It's my first time exploring Ilocos Sur, and the scenery along the way has been absolutely captivating. As we waited for our group, we took a moment to appreciate the spectacle of big bikes zooming past us, the rumble of engines, the variety of rides, and the sheer excitement of the journey made it impossible not to feel connected to the community of riders heading to Vegan City.
短冊に歌詞を書きビートにマーク織姫までパスなるべく高く飛ばす感覚続ける一番星までダッシュ気に食わないことばっかりだったりするけどやることやって飛ばしてるオーラー自宅とスタジオロンドンまたいで曲踊らしてるフロアとコーナー光のレーザースペクターで新しい景色を見に行く夜から朝までペンと声が世界か行きたいツアーフランクでエイジャンキッズが言ってる絶対ピークキープしてる想像いずれにチッピークの差を配分して埋めたいみんなが幸せだったらいい空目に
Ito na ata yung bahay nila Chavit. What the fuck? Whee! Napakasarap mag-rides dito sa norte guys. Ganda ng kalsada nila oh. Wow!
The number you have dialed is not available at present. Please leave your message after the beep.
Yeah, trendsetter, whoa, league of my own, it don't get better. No, read what I wrote, I'm a bestseller. Yeah, reach for my goals, hit it dead center, hit it dead center.
After hours of being on the road, we finally arrived into Vegan City. We went straight to our accommodation to unwind and recharge, getting ready for the exciting event in just a few hours.
Better, bring a better bad because I'm
Stick around for part 3, where we experience for the first time this highly anticipated event that unites motorcycle enthusiasts from across the country.
living it fast, spinning my M in the bag. I never go slow, thinking I'll crash, end up thinking
Gusto pa daw niya, diretso pagod-pod na. Wala daw pagod eh.
always showing up. Last year's song still holding up. See the name now and they know what's up. Price hit the top and it's going up. I'm a trendsetter. Whoa, league of my own, it don't get better.